How's your food, sir?
Awful! I think I need to see a doctor.
Mr. Squidward!
Yeah,
What did you do to that customer's patty?
he ordered the veggie patty.
I just thought that was a joke to cater to the vegan community. Little do they know, Mr. Squidward, is that the Krabby Patty is already vegan.
I did not have to know that.
Hey, what's that outside?
Ooh, what's that?
Hey, you can't park here. This is my property.
You don't own the streets.
What are you talking about? That's it. He can't take my customers.
Well, what are you gonna do about it?
I've got a plan. We've got to stop that food truck or else we'll lose all our customers. So, what are we gonna do?
Take him out.
What?
To dinner at the Krusty Krab.
Great idea. And I'll steal the truck.
Hello, sir. Welcome to the Krusty Krab. Come with me and I'll get you seated.
Okay. This is some good food. Hey, is that my truck?
This is the police. Pull that truck over now. We know you stole that.
I stole nothing!
You're driving the evidence.
Oh no, he's on to me. Yes, a ramp. All I have to do is go over this cliff so I can finally get rid of them. SpongeBob!
You were such a great person. Yeah. Wait, why are you here? You never even met him.
Yeah.
Money, money, money.
Ah, kill it!